cooking with Little Mama! Let's roast some pumpkin seeds, shall we?
What do you mean pumpkin seeds?
Pumpkin!
No! Oh!
See, look, seeds! My hand's messy. Pumpkin. We open pumpkin. We put my hand in. I just love fall. I love the stuff inside the pumpkin. Kind of looks like slime, but actually not slime. Hey Ma, can you get the oven to 300 please? Pumpkin's empty, so let's rinse these off. So clean. First, we need my butter. I open the whole thing.
What are you doing? Is it bio? Ew! Okay, we need to melt this. Let go. No. No. Butter bad. Here, I melted it for you.
Thank you. Next, we need some brown sugar. Kaboom! It's not fall without cinnamon. Boom, boom. And just a pinch of salt. Abracadabra. This already looks so good. Let's go. Ooh, they're pretty.
What's that?
They're pretty. Wow. It kind of smells like Annie Ann's to me. Maybe we use like the sugar that they usually use for the Annie Ann. Because it really smells like it. Like it's actually Annie. Let's try some. Okay, this is good. I want more. It's like if you put sugar on fall. You know what I mean? We totally gotta do more fall recipes.